This video explains the solution to GCE O level additional maths October 2015 paper 2 question 5. In this question we are asked to express this fraction in the form of a plus b square root of 3. In this case we have to rationalize the denominator here. To rationalize, what we need to do is we multiply by its conjugate. Now the conjugate of these numbers will be 2 square root 3 minus away a 1. Okay, if this is a plus, here will be a minus. If this is a minus, here will be a plus. This is known as a conjugate of these numbers here. Since we multiply by 2 square root 3 minus 1 at the bottom of the fraction, we have to multiply 2 square root 3 minus 1 at the top of the fractions, so that we didn't change the question. We notice that the highlighted expression is actually a plus b, a minus b, and we know that this one can be simplified into a square minus b square. Therefore, the denominator here can be expressed as 2 square root of 3 square, this is the a, this is the b, minus away the b square, 1 square. Now let's simplify the numerator. This expression multiplied by this expression will give us a 22. Square root 3 or multiplied by square root 3 will give us a 3. Minus away 11 square root of 3. Let's simplify this expression. 66 minus 11 square root of 3. If we were to simplify this expression, so 2 square will give us a 4. Square root of 3 square will give us a 3. So this is a 12. 12 minus 1 will give us 11. So 66 divided by 11 will be 6. And this part here will give us a square root of 3. So we have expressed this in the form required. In the second part of this question, we are told that this cuboid here has a square base. And it has a height of AB of this dimension. And the length of AC is given here. And we are asked to find an expression for BC square. To do this question, we must be able to tell that this is actually a right angle triangle. So based on Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. And we are asked to find an expression for BC square. So BC square equal to AC square. AC is given by this expression minus away AB square. AB square is given by this expression. From part 1 of the question, this expression can be actually simplified into 6 minus square root 3. So we substitute the simplified expression here. We can see this as a minus b whole thing square and expand using a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hence 6 square minus 2ab plus b square. The whole thing subtract away a square plus 2ab, b is 1, plus a 1 square. Add up these two numbers, 36 plus a 3 will give us a 39. Minus away 12, square root 3. Subtract away 3 plus a 1 will be a 4, plus 2 square root 3. Remove the bracket here, negative, and the positive will be a negative. So you add up 39 minus 4 will be a 35. Negative 12 and negative 2 will be a negative 14, and put down the square root 3. So this is the expression for BC square. In part 3 of this question, we are asked to express the volume of this cuboid in the form of this expression. Now let's set up a formula for volume. Volume will be the base area here multiplied by the height. Let's let the length of this cuboid be x, and because this is a square, this length will be x as well. So the base area will be x square multiplied by the height here. Now we don't know the expression for x, but we can find out the value of x square from this right angle triangle. Hence BC square equal to x square plus x square. We're using Pythagoras theorem. So now we need to make x square the subject of formula. So x square will be BC square over 2. And we are going to substitute this expression into here. Therefore V equal to VC square over 2 square root 3 plus a 1. And in part 2 of the question, we know that the expression for BC square is this whole expression here. So we substitute by this value multiplied by square root 3 plus a 1 whole thing divided by 2. Let's simplify this expression. Negative square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 will give us a negative 14 multiplied by 3. Square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is a 3. Minus away 14 square root of 3 divide by 2. 35 square root of 3 subtract away 14 square root of 3 will give us a 21 square root of 3. 35 minus 42 is negative 7. Now because the question needs us to express in this form, so we have to take out the factor 7 over 2. 21 take out 7 left a 3. 7 take out 7 left a 1. The 2 already taken out here. So this is the volume of the cuboid.